the question is there a pattern? Is there a pattern that you can figure out, and can you tweak the system for that type of customer and not take that type of customer to make it easier on everybody, more efficient on everybody?
Yeah.
The scheduling thing and the complaint thing, we'll give them a little bit of leeway there. I mean, life happens. Maybe you had a bad day, but if that's a constant thing, then we're going to cut you loose for the complaining. There are some other serious red flags that are more like safety issues for the teams, and we've run into a few of them. They completely lied about the condition of the home. Maybe they didn't get on the Zoom call like they were supposed to, and we showed up and it was crazy hoarding situation. Or we've had issues with pest control where there was like mouse droppings in the house after someone had moved out. That's an issue down here with hantavirus. It's transmitted through dry mouse droppings, and so that's a problem. We've had safety issues related to weapons being left out. I remember one customer that was pretty hardcore about that. And then there was a drug paraphernalia one. I'm talking about like needles, not pot pipes. These were hardcore things. And then we've had drunk customers say lewd things to the employees related to their bodies and sexual harassment type stuff, and all of those things. You do not want your employees to be scared when they come into work. They want to know that you're taking care of them when you send them into these houses. So as soon as that thing happens, you just pull the plug. Keep it clean.